Hello, Vatsal.
Hello.
So today I am going to take your interview. Are you ready?
Yeah.
For the interview, you have to make sure that you are looking into the camera. Are you looking into the camera?
Yeah.
Sit straight. Yes. So first question, what is your name?
What's that thing?
Vatsal Singh.
What's that thing?
Okay. Do you like your name?
Yeah.
What is your sister name?
Jayna.
Jeshna. Do you like your sister?
Yeah.
Yes.
But,
Oh,
but my sister hurt me so much.
your sister hurts you so much.
Hmm.
It's okay, sometime it happens. Which is your favorite color?
Rainbow.
Rainbow, but you have to look into the camera. You're looking here and there. Rainbow, you know how many colors are there in one rainbow?
Red.
Hmm.
Yellow.
Hmm.
Orange.
There's 7 colors. How many colors?
7 colors.
Which is your favorite fruit?
Apple and banana and pineapple and the mango.
I think you like all the fruits. It's good to eat fruits. Yes?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite vegetable?
Banana.
Banana is not a vegetable.
About the apple.
You don't know what are vegetables?
But apple is a vegetable.
Apple is a vegetable?
And banana also.
No. You love to eat ladyfinger though.
But lady finger not the fruit.
It's not a fruit, it's vegetable. And you love to eat ladyfinger, yes?
But the apple and banana is a vegetable.
I don't think so. Okay, now tell me the next question. What do you want to eat all the time? Your favorite thing to eat?
Banana.
Banana.
Yeah, banana taste like mango.
Banana and mango.
Banana taste like chocolate.
Banana tastes like chocolate. Your answers are very funny. Okay, now let's come to the next question. What do you like to study all the time? Which is your favorite subject?
One is my favorite, but not only.
Not so many. But one which subject is your favorite? English, A, B, C, D, maths, numbers, Hindi, ASEAN, ASEAN. Which is your favorite subject?
1, 2, 3.
Maths? Okay, you like maths. Next question. Whom do you love the most?
You and Dida and Papa and Nani and Nanu and everybody.
Everybody. But the most. You just have to tell me one name. Whom do you love the most in the whole world? Only one name first.
Everybody.
I know you love everyone, but if you have to choose only one, who it would be?
Everybody.
Okay. It's good that you love everyone so much. Now, next question is, what do you like to play the most? Which is your favorite toy?
Papa.
What's up now? Then I have to stop your interview if you will not give me right answers. Which is your favorite toy?
Papa. Say, I am the toy, but he always say, I am the toy, I am the toy, I am the toy.
But Papa always say you are the toy. You're Papa's favorite toy. But what is your favorite toy?
Papa is always tell me I am toy. That's why I say Papa is a toy.
Okay. Because Papa always call you his toy. That is why Papa is your favorite toy. What about your monster trucks? They're not your favorite?
They're my favorite.
What about your Legos? They are not your favorite?
They're my favorite.
Then tell me one of your favorite toy. Which one?
Papa.
Okay. Papa is your favorite toy. Okay. Which is your favorite song?
Makalala.
Mukablala.
And the Ahmare.
Mukabla and Aankh Mare.
Yeah.
What about that song of Jojo Siva which Dida all the time listen and dance with you? Which song is that?
Dida always say Alexa, Alexa, Alexa.
She always say Alexa. Then
Where Dida say Alexa, then not talk.
okay. Now tell me the next question. What do you like to do all the time?
The study and do math and sing.
Study, do maths and sing.
Mm.
I never see you doing study or doing maths. Yes, you do sing sometime. Can you sing something for us right now?
Macabre la juba la 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 la. Oh la la. Macabre la la la. Oh la la.
Okay, very good. Now the last thing is you have to give one message to everyone. What do you want to say to Dida?
I love you, Dida.
What do you want to say to Didi?
I always want Dida and Dida.
You always love Didi and Dida. What do you like to say to Nanu?
I want Nanu too.
What do you like to say to Nani?
I love Nani too.
But say something else also. No, you're just saying you love. We know that you love everybody. What do you want to say to Viku Mamu?
With Mamu, can buy chocolate for me.
Lovely. What do you want to say to Ruby Mimi?
With Mimi, can buy toys for me.
What do you want to say to your Mimi?
My Mimi, give me message.
Huh?
My Mimi, give me message. I have to check Mama feeling well or not.
You want medicine? Mimi to give you medicine to check that Mama is feeling well or not? Oh my God, so lovely of you. What do you want to say to your Mama?
Mama, I love you.
What do you want to say to your Papa?
Papa, can you buy Mama?
Can you buy Mama? That's what you said? You want Papa to buy a new Mama for you? Sit properly. You're not in frame. I'm taking an interview. You want Papa to buy a new Mama for you? Not good. Okay, sit. What do you want to say to Dadu?
Dadu, Papa.
Dadu loves Papa. We all know that. What do you want to say to Dadi?
Daddy, I love you.
Chachi?
Daddy, I love
Chachu?
Daddy, I love
You love everybody. Say something else. What do you want to say to Kyon Dadda?
you. Daddy, I love you.
And what do you want to say to Summer baby?
Summer baby, I love you.
That is the only message, huh? For everyone. You love everyone. Chalo, it was a good interview. Last question. How old are you?
4 is old.
You're not 4 years old. It's 31st of March today. After 20 days, you'll be 4 years old. Whose birthday is coming?
No, 500 is old.
You'll be 100 years old. Whose birthday is about to come?
Me?
Yours. What do you want to do on your birthday?
Cake, play some toys, pop balloon, everyone.
Pop balloon, eat cakes and play some toys
And everybody.
with everybody. Okay. Do you want to eat anything special on your birthday?
Mama, can you buy the water balloon for me? And the balloon, we go to the toilets and to achieve my birthday.
You want 100 balloons for your birthday?
Yeah, and
Can-
we go to achieve my birthday.
Okay. Which color balloons you want?
Rainbow.
Rainbow color?
And have Superman on
Rainbow color balloons with Superman on it.
it. Yes. I want to Superman.
You love Superman. What kind of cake you want on your 4th birthday?
No, 100 is the wrong one.
Okay, 100th birthday. What kind of cake you want on your 100th birthday?
I need the football toys, like a rectangle toys, and cars.
Football toys, rectangle toys and cars on your birthday cake.
Yeah.
But earlier you said you want Superman on your birthday cake.
And I need Superman on it.
Your cake is going to be very confusing, I'm telling you. Chalo, say bye to your audience. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you all.
I love you too.
Kisses, please.
Mm.
From there only you can give Puchi like this. Mwah.
Mwah.
Thank you.